Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for a cracking week. Today I'm so excited because I had a really good session. I had a really good play with Taperlogy stickers. I've done an unboxing videos, oh god, a couple of weeks ago, and I showcased all these beautiful stickers. They're absolutely addictive to use. When you start, you can't stop. And as you guys know, I'm a brand ambassador for Taperlogy. You get a 15% discount code with me. And today I just want to showcase these lovely stickers across different surfaces. Some tags that I have received in my happy mail, some wooden decoration, so these are from Taperlogy as well, and then from some plain bubbles. So these stickers can be super versatile. You can use them to create any festive project. This is probably my favorite, and the more I look at it, the more I love it. And yeah, you're creating tags. I created those two tags. Really like them. And the good things about these stickers that come in different color combination. So you got pink, you got silver, you got gold, you got red, you got your traditional. And yeah, I really like them. They can be super present toppers, or you can use it on your table for like placemat. You can add, you can hang them on your tree. Completely up to you guys how you want to use those. As I said, extremely addicted to make. So guys, let's crack on and let me show you everything step by step. Okay guys, so these stickers are fabulous because I got them in different color stories, and yeah, they've got a couple of pages with the sentiment, etc. So in case you guys missed it, I will put this video, the unboxing video, at the end of this one, so you can go back and have a look. But as you can see, there is like pink, there is grey, there is gold, there is more traditional, there is a polar bear like the Winter Wonderlands. I love it. It's probably my favorite page because I love Victorian Christmas. So, and then I've also got some wooden decorations, and let me show you what I've done so far, and then we're going to do couples together. So I've done the snowman with the blue pages and the snowflakes wooden decoration. Then I've done this one here with the bell wooden decoration. This is one of my favorite. Just put the train and the toys. This is another one of my favorite. And then I also got some tags, some plain tags, and then yeah, so as you can see, you can use the stickers anywhere. So on wooden surfaces, on paper, and even on bubbles. Yes, and decorate my own bubbles. So let me show you how easy it is. So I've got here a silver bubble for my silver tree. So I thought we will stick with the silver page. There is a silver page. There it is. So let me just scoop everything out of the way. And then what I'm going to do, guys, because it's very simple, but it takes a bit of time, I will speed it up for you. A little tip: when you put this adhesive on the bubble, so when you put on the flat surface with the tip of your lollipop stick, which is attached to the stickers pack, so you get that as part of your stickers pack, normally you would just go flat. Okay, so you would do this exercise, but I'll show you in a minute. Now, when you go for surfaces that are not flat, but they curve, use the tip like this, like you just file your nails, if I'm making sense. So you pretend you're just doing this and follow the curve of the bubble. So you would do these sort of movements. So flat that to the bubble and then do like that, like you pretend that you do your bubbles, use your nail, so you just file them. And you will notice that this sticker, the image will actually adhere to the bubble, and then the plastic part, the adhesive part, will come out naturally. So let me fussy cut the little bits and pieces and I'll speed it up for you. And this is the final result. I mean, you can put as many imaginary or as little. So I like when it's very full of imagery. Now, I didn't bother with the back because, of course, that was sat on my tree like that. So just, I think it's a bit of waste of stickers. But if you think that that will go on my tree like this, I think this is super cute. Okay, now these are fabulous craft fairs idea for you guys to sell. So I love it. I will happily buy your bubbles like that, don't you? So yeah. Now let me show you how, oopsie, should we do a star? Yeah, let's do a star. Let's decorate a star. So again, I'm gonna fussy cut everything and I'll speed it up for you. That's it, guys. What do you think? As you can see, it's easy when you do this because it's on a flat surface. So the bubbles, it's not difficult, but it's just need a little bit more time. Now, last, let me show you these fabulous tags. Now, I've got the tags in here. Let me have a look. So I've got a few of those. Now, I think I'm going to go for... So I've done one in pink. Should we use this gold? Yeah, let's use this gold. I think I'm gonna do am I gonna do the tree, Father's Christmas, and some embellishment? Okay, and this is what the final tag look like. As you can see in the video, I don't know if you can probably understand with the video being sped up. These stickers are layerable, so you can do different layers, so you can build them up. So as you can see, this is covering Father's Christmas bottoms, Merry Christmas just put on top. So the Father's Christmas over the presents. So everything is buildable, so you can have different layers of when you create your own image. So this is going to show you that these amazing stickers are literally can be used on anything. I love these. Literally love these. So yeah, guys, I hope I gave you some ideas. So check out Taperlogy. I will put the link down below, so you'll get 15% with my code. It's really worth it. I really recommend them, guys, because, well, number one, they're so addictive. Once you start, you can't stop. And then B, they can be used across anything, any surfaces. You can either use this to cover like aluminium things or anything, literally anything. You can decorate anything. You can either use it on acetate as well. So really recommend them, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, consider giving a big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And I put a couple of videos at the end, one when I did the unboxing of these goodies, and then the number two when I showcase my Christmas paper, so you can guys go have a look at my Christmas collection. So yeah, I'm on a festive mood now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.